Brenda Douglas, your self-love and happiness coach. And today I want to share some holiday safety tips. But before we get started, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for more ways that you can create happiness. For self-love and self-care tips, stress remedies, positive thinking techniques, and ways that you can become a better. It can be very, very stressful. Okay, so before I give you the safety tips, I want to give you some stress remedies as well as a journal prompt. Okay, so your 5 stress remedy tips are to meditate. Meditate in the morning and meditate in the evening when your day is done. Okay, monitor your finances. Sometimes we don't want to look at our finances, but when we know what we're working with, it helps to relieve our stress, because then you can, which is the next one, set boundaries. Okay, when enough is enough and you've exhausted your finances, then enough is enough. So set boundaries is another stress remedy tip. Okay, treat yourself. Okay, don't forget to grab yourself a little something, guys, while you're in the midst of getting everyone else something. And actually, when I was when my child was younger, I had to, I wasn't able to, I didn't have enough to get him stuff and me stuff. So one of the things I did was get myself something after the holidays, okay, which is kind of the same thing. So, treat yourself during this holiday season, okay? And then also, it's okay to say no. You can politely decline anything that drains your energy, anything that goes against your values, or if you're just overextended, it's okay for you to say no. Saying no doesn't mean that you don't care about the person. It means that you don't want to overcommit and you want to honor your time and your well-being. Okay, the journal prompt. Okay, for the journal prompt, what we're going to do is you're going to make an alphabetized list of 26 best things about the holiday season. Okay, and you're going to do this for each well, you can, no, let's not do it for each letter. Let's just make a list of 26 things that you like about the holiday season. Okay, so that is your journal prompt, and you have your stress remedy tips to be safe during this holiday season. So I want to give you a few holiday safety tips, okay, to keep you safe. Okay, you want to check all of your holiday lights to make sure that they are not frayed or broken. Okay, and if they are, just replace them. Okay, if you are buying an artificial tree, look for the fire resistant label. Okay, and then you want to keep the tree at a safe distance, at least 3 feet away from the fireplaces, the radiators, and any source of heat. Okay, so you want to keep the tree at a safe distance away from heat sources. Okay, also, if you are buying a live tree, make sure that it has fresh water on a daily basis. Now, I'm not sure if you can get something to pour into the water to keep the tree fresh. And guys, if you are aware of if there is something that can keep the tree fresh and live longer, then just write it in the comments so that you can help others. Okay. But for the most part, keep some fresh water in the tree every day. Please don't let the water dry up, okay, because it becomes a fire hazard. Okay, do not use electric lights on metallic trees. Okay, you want to keep your children and your pets and the decorations away from candles. Okay, don't overload the electric sockets, guys. If you can, get a surge protector, but for the most part, do not overload the outlets. Okay, be sure that your outdoor lights are meant for outdoor use, and that the indoor lights, of course, are used for indoor use. Okay, so make sure that you use the lights appropriately. Okay, do not string too many strands of lights together. In fact, no more than 3 strings of lights together. Okay, Remember to have a professional check your chimney to make sure that it is clean, so that it doesn't cause a fire or smoke to fill your home, okay? Have your fire extinguisher in the house and have it accessible and ready to use just in case there's an emergency. Guys, remember to turn off your tree lights before you go to bed or before you go out for long periods of time, okay? Listen, we want to remember to practice social distancing. We want to remember to stay 6 feet apart, whether we're in stores or not. Okay, you want to remember to wear your face mask, and you want to also remember to wash your hands and sanitize your hands frequently. Here we are in 2020. We still need to do those things to be safe, okay? And that's whether people are coming over to your home or not. You want to be safe, okay? Do not serve open food. Instead, you want to serve individual servings, okay? Remember that some holiday plants like poinsettias and hollyberries, poinsettias and hollyberries and mistletoes, pine needles, they can actually be harmful for your pet. Okay, so you want to remember to keep your pets safe during this time of year when it comes to those holiday plants. Okay, check your smoke alarms. Make sure that they are functioning properly. Make sure that they're working. Check the battery. Make replace them if necessary. Okay. Listen, don't have people deliver packages. Don't have packages delivered to your porch, okay? Instead, you want to see if you can have it delivered to your job, or you want to see if a neighbor can maybe go to your home to get your packages, okay? Because some nowadays people have been stealing packages, okay? So we just want to keep everything safe, okay? Be careful about what you share on social media, what you share on social media in terms of what you're doing, where you're at what time, the locations and things of that nature. You want to be very careful about what you share on social media because you never know who's watching, okay? Listen, do not leave valuables exposed in your car, okay? Hide them. If you do not go to a parking lot and then put your items in the trunk where people can see that you've just put the items in the trunk. Instead, what you want to do is when you come out of the store, put them in the trunk and then go to your next destination. That way, nobody knows that there's something in there. But for the most part, don't leave your valuables in the car exposed because right now, around this time of year, there are lots of opportunists out there. Okay, so you just want to be safe. Okay, stay aware of your surroundings. Watch out for potential threats. Don't walk down any dark alleys. Just be around public spaces where there are people who are around you, and that includes going to the ATM. Okay, I'm going to get to that in a while. Check that the website, when you're ordering online, some people are choosing to order online as opposed to going inside the stores, especially now since we're having to social distance. And then also COVID is still around. So people are opting to do more shopping online. Okay, if that is in fact you, then you want to make sure that the website is a secure website. Okay, you want to read the reviews to make sure that it's a reputable website. Okay, you want to read the reviews to confirm that people are getting their packages, they're receiving their packages, they're getting what they ordered, and it's in a timely manner. Okay, so if you're ordering online, you also, again, you want to make sure that the website is a secure website, and it's a secure website when it says that it's secure, and it also has like a lock on the top right corner. I think it is on the top left corner is a picture of a lock, and then you'll know that the website is secure. And then also you want to check the website's private policy. Okay, so do those things if you're going to order online. Also remember to check the date to see when you'll receive them. Some packages or some items will be delivered on time for Christmas, but then there are some that it'll say that you won't receive it until after the holiday. So just be prepared for that. Okay. If you just don't happen to have to go out in the stores, you want to go with a partner. Okay, and then you want to again practice social distances and listen, keep an eye on your babies, guys. Watch your children at all times. Don't let them wander. Just keep them, because that's like a hectic time. I don't know what it's going to be. None of us know what it's going to be like this year, but you want to keep an eye on your children, and then just be safe. Again, go with a partner. Yeah, go with a partner so that you are not out there shopping alone. Okay, have your keys out when you before you get to your car, before you even get outside. Know where your keys are and have your hands on the keys to be prepared to take them out immediately and get in your cars. Okay, so have your keys out and ready to get in your vehicle and lock the door immediately. Okay. Now, some of you may be saying, well, that's a little too much. But listen, you can never be too careful, especially not nowadays, okay? And you want to carry a minimum amount of cash, okay? And then also protect your PIN number. When you're keying in your PIN number, check your PIN number or use the credit, guys. I love using the credit. I don't like using the PIN number because when you're in line, I think that there are too many people behind me. Okay, and I don't have time to watch what they're doing, and so I use the credit option. Okay, so okay, let's see what else. Okay. So when you're at the ATM, you want to be cautious. Okay, you want to make sure that the ATM is located in a busy area. Okay, you want to be aware of your surroundings. Watch out for those. There's something that can pick up your PIN number. It's like a cover or something. I don't remember. Anyway, just inspect the machine to make sure that there are no covers, extra layers on it, so that you can safely put your PIN in there without somebody getting it. Okay. And then let someone that you trust know that when you are traveling out of town, so that they can check on your residence. Just make sure that you trust that person to watch your items or watch your home, I should say, or check on your home. Okay. Be sure that your windows and your garages and your windows, your garages, and your doors are locked and closed. Sometimes we string the light in those areas, and so we may leave a little crack, but guys, that's not safe. Okay. So you want to make sure that those things are locked. Okay. Okay, and then if you are cooking, you want to be sure to turn off the food, never leave the food unattended for long periods of times, okay? So guys, listen, I hope that these tips have been helpful to you. Happy holidays to you and your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like this channel, okay? Listen, stay safe for the holidays, okay? Because we want you around for 2021, because 2021 has to be better than 2020. Oh my goodness, 2021 has to be better than 2020. I declare it, and I hope that you are too. You do too. Have a safe and happy holiday.